The controversial businessman and political power broker, Dr. Kuda Tagwirei, has made waves in ZANU-PF circles after quietly entering the party's influential central committee this month, a move many see as calculated step towards even greater political ambition. Sana vana mashoko kuda panguva ine chionekwa kunzi kuda Tagwirei otaura mashoko achiti ZANU-PF is bigger than government. Panguva ine vanoonekwa kunzi his elevation yaitiwa to the central committee yashamisa vanhu. Tipinda panapa munhau uri subscribe like on the bell icon. Panapa Zim anobudanyira chiti widely regarded as President mnangagwaZim, blue-eyed boy, Tagwirei is sudden and a low-profile inclusion in the central committee. He has raised eyebrows, with the party insider suggesting it signals his growing influence in both the party and state affairs. Speaking to reporters in Harare after attending a closed-door provincial meeting with the government departments on Tuesday, Tagwirei made remarks that hint at shifting power dynamics in quotes. The party ZANU-PF is bigger than the government, he said pointedly, underscoring a sentiment often used by top party elites to remind civil servants and ministers where true authority lies. This statement has reignited speculation about Tagwirei's political ambitions, especially following his gradual transition from the business world and pulpit into full-fledged politics. Long known for his deep pockets and behind-the-scenes influence in both state contracts and party funding, Tagwirei is increasingly stepping into the limelight. Though he has not formally declared any presidential ambitions, insiders suggest his rapid rise through party structures, coupled with his alignment with Mnangagwa, would be part of the broader succession strategy within the ruling party. Whether he is positioning himself as a future presidential contender or simply consolidating his influence within ZANU-PF, one thing is clear: Tagwirei is no longer just a man behind the scenes. He is now part of the machinery steering Zimbabwe's political direction. Thomas Kwabuda Pachina Chonkon's Tagwirei, which Mona Semuna Ringotinje, kana just a businessman. But out on Iowa, he is steering Zimbabwe's political direction. Out to influencer. I was needed to communicate Zimbabwe, especially my issues of politics. To the Mafungre Emot Clip on Sope Chitko, Kunako message, don't subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.